Iteration Insights would like to thank you for viewing this dashboard showcase that we have assembled for our client, Bow Valley College. Bow Valley College previously spent hundreds of hours manually preparing their Factbook each year to provide statistical information. Power BI was implemented to not only answer their questions, but to provide a more efficient means of producing future editions. The design of the dashboard was based on their corporate guidelines, and it was then templated for use throughout the organization. A landing page provides navigation into various dashboards within the report. This dashboard provides an overview into the annual count and growth of the learners and courses. The college is committed to developing and implementing their Indigenous strategy and works hard to foster inclusion. We separated these counts to enable a quick visual representation of their progress. We have also added a data dictionary to ensure consistency into definitions across the organization. The Enrollment Dashboard analyzes the learners to reveal the counts of international versus domestic learners, which campus they are receiving their courses, what credentials they hold, and the concentration of learners in credit and non-credit programs. The data can be sliced by school, and business users can also interact with the data by clicking the visuals, such as selecting diploma, and the data filters to reflect only that selection. The Learner's Profile dashboard shows us student gender, age range, country, and previous education level. For example, if we select School of Community Studies, the data tells us that the majority of students in the Early Learning and Child Care Education program currently have a diploma-level education, are Canadian females, and between the ages of 17 and 22. The Learner's Profile Insights helps the college decide where to target their marketing efforts. The Learner Citizen dashboard uses Bing Maps and provides a visual on the global distribution of learners. Business users have the ability to filter by school and by credential. These dashboards offer a holistic view of data that previously resided in silos and was onerous to extract any meaningful insights. Power BI enables self-service consumption where business users can now tailor and discover insights on their own. If you are looking for a Power BI report to implement into your organization, reach out to Iteration Insights at info@iterationinsights.com or visit our website, www.iterationinsights.com, for more information. Thank you again for watching our Factbook showcase in partnership with Bow Valley College.